Hi everybody, I hope your week is off to a fantastic start. In this video today we are going to learn about area. So for the past 2 weeks we have been learning about perimeter, and today we are going to switch gears a little bit and start talking about area. So the area of a shape refers to how much space is inside of a shape. Area is very different from perimeter. If you remember from the last few weeks, perimeter is the space around a shape. Now with area, we are going to be looking at the space inside of the shape. So these two pictures show you the difference between area and perimeter. As we know, perimeter is the distance around a shape. And you'll see me draw the distance around the shape in orange. Now with area, it's the space inside of a shape. So I'm coloring in, or trying to color in this square to show you that area is all the space inside of the shape. So now let's learn how to find the area. So looking at this shape, we have what are called square units. So I'm going to draw a box. That's 1 square unit. So to find the area, we have to count all the square units inside of the shape. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then lastly 9. So I know that the area of this shape is going to be 9 square units, and I know that because I counted the space inside of this shape. I counted 9 square units inside that shape. Okay, so the same thing with this shape, we're going to count the square units inside the shape. So you see I have 1 square, I have 2, 3, and then 4. So I know the area is going to be 4 square units, and that's the space inside of that shape. Okay, once again, we're going to count the squares inside of the shape, the square units. So I'm just going to count the boxes now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So I know that the area of this shape is going to be 6 square units. It's the space inside of that shape. So to find the area, I'm going to start counting the square units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the area of this shape is going to be 8 square units. So I'm going to start counting my squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there's 7 squares inside of the shape, or 7 square units. So that means the area is 7 square units. Okay, and our last example, I'm just going to count the squares. Remember that 1 square is a square unit, and so you're counting all the square units. And you can see that I am drawing around the squares and counting them up. So once again, the area of this shape is 7 square units. So that means there's 7 or the space inside of that shape is 7 square units. Okay, so that is how you find the area of a shape. The biggest thing to remember now is that you are looking at the space inside of the shape.